Everyone, King Piers team out here in Gower, Missouri. This is a block foundation renovation job. As you can see, we have our wire mesh attached. We are specifically just doing the side two walls and the front wall. So we have one already mortared. So once this mortar is dry, we will be painting it with white dry lock waterproofing paint. And that will be it for this job. We have two other ones up in St. Joe that are going to be similar projects. So we're just getting this one knocked out with the mortar, and then we'll move everyone over to the next one in St. Joe, start mortaring that, and then to the second one in St. Joe. So stay tuned for more updates. You can find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels. You can just search for King Piers LLC. While you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com, and don't forget you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.